Hello guys, today we are going to discuss how to take input from the user in Python. See, so there is an inbuilt function inside the Python named as input. So with the help of that function, I am able to take input from the user. Now let's make one variable in PyCharm. I'm taking one variable that is age and using the input function. And here I am passing a message to the user that enter your age. Now I want to print the age. Print. Now let's run the code. So 23. So I'm passing the age and output is 23. Okay. Now with the help of the input function, I am able to take the user input. So now let's elaborate the input function. See, with the help of the input function, I am able to take the single input and the multiple inputs in the same line. Okay. Now here we have already discussed how to take a single input from the input function. Okay. But one thing I want you to note down that the default data type of input function is string. Always string, right? You are able to check the data type of the variable. I think I have already discussed in one of my video named as variables and the data types, where we have used the type function to check the data type of the variable, right? I will also give you the link of that particular video in my description box. You can check. Okay. Now I can check the data type of that particular variable. Okay. So that we are able to see the data type of that variable. So how do we check the data type? Print type pass that particular variable. Okay. Now let's run the code. So I'm passing 31. What is the data type? That is string. So the default data type is always string. We can change the data type according to our own choice, either int, float. Okay. So you can change the data type how? Age equal to int age. Right? Now we are able to check the data type by using the same function, print type age. Now you can check. So I am passing again 31. See, we have changed the data type of the variable name age. Okay. Now here we have finished how to take a single input from the user. Now how do we take the multiple inputs from the user in the single line? So in this, we are going to use the split function. See, if I want to take variables, for example, I want to take name of the user, I want to take his age, both from the user, then how I am going to write this line of code? Input, then enter name and age, right? Then I am going to use the split function. Here I am not passing any argument. Here I am not passing any argument means whenever you give space between any two variables, for example, the name is Ram, age is 23, means it is going to split by seeing this space. Okay. Name is stored in, Ram is stored in name, whereas 23 is stored in the age. Okay. So split function, if it is not taking any argument, then by default it is taking the space. You are able to pass an argument inside the split function. Now let's write the code first of all on PyCharm to see the working of the split function. Okay. See. Now I want name and age both as an input from the user. Equal to input. Enter your name and age. I'm going to use split function. Right? Now I want to print name then print age. Let's comment the above code. By using triple quotes. Okay. Now enter your name and age. So my name is Akshama and age is 23. Okay. Name Akshama, age 23. So we are able to take multiple inputs from the user in the same line. Okay. Now here the split function works by default by separating the two variables with space. Okay. Now if I want to separate the two values by using commas, semicolon, we are able to do by providing the particular delimiter inside the split function as an argument. If I want to pass comma. Okay, now let's run this code. Now enter the name, for example, Shyam Sundar. Now I am putting comma, age is 45. Name Shyam Sundar, age 45. Now the delimiter split function is using that is comma. Okay, we need to specify the particular delimiter. If we want to use, if we don't want to use the space, okay, then you are able to use the colon also according to your own choice. Here, colon. And run and see the output. Enter your name. Example name is Jessica Seni, and age is 67. Now you can see the delimiter we have used colon. So name Rishika Seni, age 67. So this is the manner how do we use a split function to take multiple inputs from the user in a single line. Okay. So I hope it is useful to you. And if you like my video, kindly share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.